Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys another song to play on the ukulele. But before that, shout out muna tayo. Shout out kay Angelica Dablo, Kayla Concha Reyes, Rhea May Ramos, Kayla Tejano, Nikki De La Cruz, Yurika Don, Lian Galarpe, Gwen Granados, Camelia Moreno, and lastly, shout out kay Trizia Romero. Ayan, thank you so much for watching my video, guys. And if you want to be mentioned on my next tutorial, so be sure to drop your names on the comment section below. So for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys another K-pop song on the ukulele. So grab your uke because today I'm gonna teach you how to play Spring Day by BTS. So in order to play this song, you need to learn 4 basic chords on the ukulele, and these 4 chords will be used for the entire parts of the song. So for the first chord, we have the chord of C. So you just have to put your index finger here or your middle finger here. It depends upon you. And you should place it here on the first string, 3rd fret. And then the next chord is E minor. It's like a staircase. So you have to put your index finger here, your middle finger here, and your 4th finger should be placed here. That is E minor. And then for the 3rd chord, we have the chord of A minor. So you just have to put your index finger here on the last string, 2nd fret. That is the chord of A minor. And then for the last chord, we have the chord of F. So you just have to put your index finger here on the 2nd string, 1st fret. And then the middle finger should be placed here. Yeah. So again, C, E minor, A minor, and then lastly we have the chord of F. So the next thing that I'll be teaching you guys today is the strumming pattern, and the strumming pattern for this song is pretty basic, and it is a down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So what we're going to do in here is that you have to place your finger here, position for the first chord, we have the chord of C. And for the down strokes of your ukulele, you have to use the nail of your index finger, just like this. And then for the up strums, you have to use your thumbnail. Okay? Down, and then up. Down, and then up. And since the strumming pattern of the song is down, up, down, up, down, up, it should sound like this. Down, up, down, up, down, down. Then after that one, you have to do the same strumming pattern but with a different chord. So we have to transfer from C to the chord of E minor with the same strumming pattern. And the same thing for the A minor. Down, up, down, up, down, up. And then move to the F chord. Down, up, down, up, down, down. And then you have to repeat that all over again for the entire parts of the song. So let's take a closer look with the strumming pattern that we have for today's tutorial. So for the first chord, we have the chord of C. And then our strumming pattern is again down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? So we have to try it slowly. 1, 2, 3, go. Down, up, down, up, down, up. And then transfer to the next chord, which is the chord of E minor. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Move to A minor. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Then move to F. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Slowly. Down, up, down, up, down, up. 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 So this time we have to do the strumming pattern a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, go. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. By the way, guys, this song is originally played on the 3rd fret of your ukulele. So if you want to achieve the original pitch of the song, so you have to clip your capo here on the 3rd fret. This is your 1st fret, 2nd fret, and this is the 3rd fret. So when you add your capo here on your ukulele, so the C chord is still the same. It should be played here on the 1st string, 3rd fret. The same with E minor, A minor, and then F. And then the strumming pattern is still the same when you add the capo. I've said earlier, the song is only 4 chords. We have the chord of C, E minor, A minor, and F, and we only have 1 strumming for this song. So in other words, for the intro, for the verses, pre-chorus, and chorus, we have to do the same exact thing from start to finish. Okay? So let's try to sing the song in 3, 2, 1, go. I'm missing you, and I don't know what to do. I'm missing you, and this picture's just remind me of you. Miss you, and time's just so cold. I hate trying to see you once, never worked out once, but you find a chance. Feels so cold like winter. It's August and not December. With my heart I walk alone across down the street. It's a snowpiercer. Wanna take you by the hand and fold you across the other end of the earth. Tell me how much more should I long for you, and pray for spring to come forward. Friend, little specks of dust floating round in the air, floating round in the air. If I was a snow in the air, well, I'd get to you even just a little bit faster. Snowflakes keep falling down, they drift away further around. I'm missing you, I'm missing you. Oh, I miss you, I'm missing you. And how long do I have to wait? How many sleepless nights do I have to take to finally see you, to see you, to meet you, only you. Passing by the edge of this winter, I listen to the change of the weather. When spring comes and flowers bloom, just say until then, please stay and wait a little more. Hey guys, so thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're interested to watch my latest ukulele cover or tutorials, you may click the video right here, and if you're interested to watch my latest vlogs, you may click the video right there. And I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to subscribe.